In this video, we will see how to set up Python, and if Python is already installed, how to verify whether Python is installed or not, and which version of Python is running on the system. These all things we are going to see in this video. Now to check whether Python is installed or not, just open command prompt. Here you can type Python. Now you can see here it has opened the Microsoft Store. It means Python is not installed, and in the command prompt I am not getting any response from the command. Now I am closing this and this pop-up. Now to install Python, just open Python website, type download Python. Here this is the official website of Python, python.org. Now I am clicking on download Python. Here you can see download menu bar is there. Once I hover on the downloads menu bar, it is showing this current version of Python is 3.13.0. Now when I am creating this video, this is the latest version. When you will be seeing this in future, the version might be different, but the procedure of installing Python will be same. Now to download Python for Windows, just click on this button. Now you can see the Python exe file is downloaded. Now to install exe file, just double click on the exe file. It is showing me two checkboxes. Use admin privileges while installing py.exe. So I am checking it. And second checkbox is add python.exe to the path. Select this second checkbox as well. It will add this python.exe into the environment variable. Now once you click on these both checkboxes, click on the install now button. It will show this pop-up. Select yes. Now it is installing the Python on my system. It is showing setup was successful. Now Python is installed my system, but how we can verify it? Now again I am opening the command prompt. In the command prompt you can give command as Python. Here I am getting response and it is showing Python then space 3.13.0. So this is the Python version installed on my system. Here I can enter the command, like I am providing prompt as 2+2. It is giving me response as 4. So here also you can write a code, but instead of writing code in the command prompt, I will use idle for writing the code. Idle is the IDE for writing Python code. Now here you can see the same thing, Python, then its version is it is showing. Now I am again providing the same command 2+2. It is giving response as 4. Then I will print one line, print hello Python. Now benefit of using idle shell or IDE is it will show things in the different color, like its output it is showing in a blue color. Here you can see 4 is in blue color, hello Python is in blue color. Then whatever keywords we are there, it is showing in different color, like print is a keyword, then hello word we are providing is in a double quote, so it is shown in a green color. So that is the benefit of using IDE. So like this you can install Python, verify its version and run the commands in the idle shell. If you are preparing for interviews, you can subscribe to this channel. You will find lot of interview questions and its actual answers, which will help you to prepare for interviews. So subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. We also have WhatsApp channel. You can follow that channel so that you will get all our updates on WhatsApp as well.